Hi, this is Chris, one of the developers here at TopNotchThemes. You might know us as the leading premium Drupal theme company and a contributor of some of Drupal's most popular free themes. In fact, over 25,000 people rely on our free and premium themes. But now I'd like to tell you about Fusion, a new Drupal theme system we've created with developers in mind. We understand that when you're developing a Drupal site, it can seem like the theming takes longer than anything else. From the design and graphics, to modifying templates and coding the CSS, and then testing it with your modules and in all browsers, it can seem to take forever. And most of this comes at the end of the project, just as you're trying to meet the deadline. In fact, if anything, it's usually the theming that puts you over time and over budget. But what are your alternatives? You can grab a cheap web template that looks decent and is supposed to work with Drupal, but by the time you've added in all the flexibility that Drupal demands, you might as well have started from scratch. Of course, there are a lot of great contrib themes out there, but your clients usually want something more unique. And whatever you choose, it can be tough to get professional assistance quickly when you run into problems with your theme. Well, we think we've found a way to take those problems off your plate. Using the Fusion theming system, you can deliver professional-looking sites with less work and less time, and at a fraction of the cost of creating a custom theme. So what's the big secret? First, Fusion's embedded grid lets you quickly and accurately create a site layout without the grid math hassles. You can choose either fixed 960 pixel or fluid layouts through the admin interface. And you can adjust the width of any of your blocks with a simple drop-down selection. Even custom grids are super fast to whip up. Second, our new point-and-click styling system gives you a generous selection of built-in styles you can instantly apply to blocks, nodes, views, and panels, so you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel on every site. You can even do your layout and styling in real time with a client, all without editing any files. That also means you can finish the look and feel of a site without having to wait for your client's content. Plus, you'll be delivering a site that's easier to administer, so you can make follow-up style and layout changes in seconds. Or show your client how to use Fusion themselves, and they won't need to bother you the next time they add a block and want to give it a style. Finally, all of our themes are designed to be rock solid so you can rely on them. They have built-in support and styling for important modules and undergo extensive browser testing. And we make sure our themes are accessible, standards compliant, and SEO friendly. But our Fusion themes don't just work great, they also look great. That's because we build them from beautiful original designs that are created with the Drupal way of doing things in mind. So Fusion really can speed up your development workflow. But what if you run into a problem? Well, you can relax because we're there for you. You'll get a ton of documentation, email support, forums, lifetime upgrades, and our one-of-a-kind 120-day satisfaction guarantee. If you want more support, or you have advanced theming questions, you should take a look at Fusion Pro, our one-on-one consulting service designed for small development shops. In our exclusive Fusion Pro forums, you'll get personal answers on best practices from our theming experts. And if you develop more than a few sites a year, you'll also save a lot of money with Fusion Pro's bulk license discount. Ultimately, you know where your time is best spent. If you'd like to focus more on your client's needs and less on the countless details of theming, then try one of our new Fusion themes and let our team back you up.